These two shall pass. It's like, the situation where, you know, it's a storm. What is a storm? Let's talk about the weather. The weather changes all the time. Like right now, oh, I hate it. It is very cold outside. It is, well, it's like 30, but earlier it was like 6 here in Nashville. And of course, I'm from Haiti, shout out to Haiti. I like the warm weather. I like to be able to go outside with a shirt and shorts and just be comfortable. But when it's cold, nobody's chilling outside. Everybody's in a hurry. Everybody just trying to get out the cold. This too shall pass. Yeah. I know it's cold now, but I know it's not gonna be cold forever. I know it's not gonna be cold forever. I hope you get my metaphorically speaking. Even the summer, sometimes it's hot. I'm cutting grass outside. I'm like, oh wow, phew, that sun is burning me. It's like 100 degrees out here, and I'm out here cutting grass. But I know it's not gonna be hot forever. Even when it's raining hard. I'm like, dang, it's pouring. It's pouring very hard outside. And thunder, like, man, it's scaring me. But it's not gonna be like that forever. Yes, this week it's raining. It's all weeks every day. I'm looking at my calendar, man. Yo, I got grass to cut, man. When this thing gonna stop? This too shall pass. When we're going through times in life, through changes in life, or through situations where we're not so happy about, whether it is breakups, whether it is getting fired, whether it is getting evicted, whether it is getting divorced, whether it is changing a new job, car breaking down, have to get a new car or have to get another car. When we have problem in life, things not going so well with family members, things not going so well with siblings. It's just temporary. There are stuff that that are temporary. Relationships, for example, is temporary. But of course, when you really care about somebody and they betrayed you, you hurt. But I tell you this, that shall pass. It's a new year, huh? Some people are happy, and some people are not happy about certain changes. And all I can say is that it will pass. We know all we have to do is wait it out. We just have to wait it out and let nature run its course. What does nature run its course mean? Let's go back to the weather. Weather is nature, is Mother Nature. We don't pick and choose when to make it rain outside, or when to make it snow, or when to make it hot, when to make it warm. That's beyond our control. That's what they call Mother Nature. Mother Nature do that on its own, and we uh, adjust ourselves to Mother Nature. So when you're not happy with the current condition, whether the storm is just so bad and that's beyond your control, you're driving in the highway, it's winning a little bit, and then it got really bad where your windshield wipers just can't keep up, windows are getting foggy. Just a mess. The best thing you can do is pull over, maybe under a bridge somewhere. And what do? Do you just make it stop raining? Because I don't like what's happening. Let me just make it stop. All right. Or do you just wait it out? You wait it out. Many people are just waiting it out. That's all you can do, is just wait it out and let nature run its course. This too shall pass, like everything else pass. That's life. Life. Whole life. I work at UPS. I have good days and I have bad days. I unload trucks. Sometimes I do other jobs still in the building, but I can be in a truck. It's easy boxes. Sometimes they put me in the trucks, it's easy. There's no big boxes, there's no heavy nothing. Everything just easy, smooth. But other days, I could be in a truck where everything is heavy. Everything is like 70 pounds, 80 pounds, 100 pounds. I have to push, I have to pull. I'm like, but I have to get it done. Every day, I don't get a good truck with little boxes. Every day, I don't get a bad trucks with heavy boxes. It just, I have this, I do, I have this, I don't. That's just part of life. Every day, you're not going to wake up and when in life, stock market goes high, your bank account is just climbing, life is good, everything, all the lights is turning green as you drive to wherever you're going, there's no traffic, no nothing. There are days that the same walk that you usually take, where it would normally take you maybe 10 minutes to get to work, end up taking you an hour because you got accidents or you got, whether it's snow or whatever. This too shall pass. You just have to wait it out. We just have to wait it out. That's all we can do, man.